All right guys, we are so excited about this. We have a big announcement. It's really cool. No, it's not that the mustache is gone or that I got a haircut. Just, no, clean up the back right here. Like just leave it everywhere else.
It's all set up?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, Laura,
what the I've never cut hair before!
I said clean it up.
I don't know what that means. Clean it up!
Clean it up, not shave my head! That didn't quite turn out as, So the big news! Well, actually, we're in a hotel room. That's kind of cool news too. We've been on the boat for 7 months and really haven't been off the boat for that time. So we got a hotel room, and thank you guys for the patrons and the viewers and all that. We couldn't have done it without you. I mean, imagine being on a boat, no air conditioning, no privacy for 7 months. And so we're having about 2 or 3 days here in a hotel and air conditioning. It's gonna be glorious. So on to the big announcement. We have partnered with Gulf Charters Thailand. They're a great charter company. They don't just do charters, they're also a sailing school. They do yacht charters, obviously, and they're kind of the only authorized dealer for the Island Spirit Catamarans, which are really cool. We're kind of excited about sailing one of those. The links are all in the show notes, you can see them there. But anyway, so Gulf Charters Thailand has agreed to give one of you guys watching right now, one of you guys gets a free week on one of their luxury yachts. They have they have a whole bunch. You go to their website, you can see all the boats they have. They have a bunch of them. The last one I sailed on was the Lagoon 400, perfect boat. Of course, they have the Island Spirit Catamarans. They have a bunch of other boats to choose from. It's over in Thailand, some great cruising grounds. You can see some of that right here. It's one of you plus 7 of your closest friends can get their own personal yacht for a week in Thailand. I mean, that's worth a lot of money right there, and it's totally free. You guys just show up and do it. So here's how you enter. It's really easy. It's through Gleam. They're a third-party thing, so it's totally independent. They will keep track of everybody that enters, and then at the end of the month, at the end of June 2018, they will do a random drawing, and one of you guys will win this amazing prize. So how it works is you go to the link that's in the show notes. It's down below. Just click the information. You can see it. It'll be right there. There's 3 ways to enter. So you get 1 entry for everything you do. Number 1, subscribe to our channel. If you haven't already. If you're already subscribed to the channel, just go through their little thing and it'll enter you anyway. So if you're already a subscriber, no big deal, you still get that entry. Follow our Instagram, super easy. And then sign up for the Gulf Charters newsletter. They only do one email a month. That's all you get, right? So you're not gonna get bombarded or anything like that. So you do all 3 of those, you get 3 chances to enter. So however many people sign up, you get it, 1 in 3 chance times however many people sign up. So the odds are good. I mean, all you do is a couple clicks when you get the entry. So do that, and then, man, guys, you could be sailing your own boat. Okay, now, some of you maybe don't have sailing experience, maybe you're not up to skippering your own boat, you can either they'll either provide a captain for you. That might be a little bit extra charge for that. You gotta pay the captain for that, of course. So, man, guys, this is a big opportunity. I'm so excited you get to do this. It's not sailing with us. I mean, we're still gonna do that. So our patrons, we're gonna do that later. We're gonna do another patron drawing pretty soon to invite a couple people to join us on the boat. But if you guys wanna get your own boat and do it, man, what an opportunity. Go for it.
Is this the shaming that you're gonna do right now?
I didn't say anything. You're the one that has to walk around with me in public.
Are you trying to make me cry?
She did. She felt really bad. It's okay. She said I should get a vanilla ice haircut to like camouflage it, make it look like I'm a DB. Yeah, an intentional DB. I can't say that word.
He's a classic now. He's not a DB. If you don't do something, you're a DB. I ruined our whole weekend. Good. What?